Tap the screen, share live, man. We back at it, man. Been a long week, but we gonna get them taken care of. These are some 2010 Jordan 13, Flint 13. Need a full restoration. When I get done with these, they could be looking brand new. Promise you. They be looking brand new when I'm done. Tap the screen, share live, all that. You can repost the live too. Tap the screen, share live, repost the live, all that. If you need something done, send me a message on here or on my main page. That's my main page. You ain't never seen what I did. You don't never see what I do on my main page. All right, send me a message. Let's see how I did this last time. I'm trying to get something done, send me a message. I'm located in Decatur, Georgia, Metro Atlanta. I'm in Decatur, Georgia, Metro Atlanta. These are some 15-year-old shoes. Now, any pair of shoes that's like 10 years old or older gonna start having issues like these right here. Now, you know what I'm saying? See, the whole shoe gotta come apart. You know what I'm saying? Because it got issues, so the whole shoe gotta come apart. So I'm gonna clean it up, take the whole shoe apart, and then get it prepped and put them back together. If you ain't never seen my work, it go my main page right here. Tap the screen, share live, all that. All right, Rose. I'm gonna check you out on Rose. Look like Rose. Like I said, I'm gonna clean up first, and then I'm gonna take the whole shoe apart. Because, like I said, you know what I mean. You see all this going on. These are some 15-year-old shoes. The glue has got weakened on it, so it need to be put fresh glue back on it. Prices vary depending on condition of your shoe. Send me a message if you're trying to get something done. Send me a message to request a quote. Oh yeah, and I got a default elbow too. So if you, like I said, yeah, send me a message if you're trying to get something done. Tap the screen, share live, all that. I don't know, man. I ain't heard from Nick, man. Last time I talked to him, he supposed to came through. I don't know where he at. What he got going on? Nick be traveling a lot too, so he might be out of town. I don't know where he at. But yeah, we ain't gonna worry about Nick right now. Tap the screen, share live, all that. He'll come when he comes. what I'm using my shoe cleaner. It's available on my website, theflycleanersatl.com. And if you go to my main page, look at my main page, right? If you go there and go to my link tree in my bio, you'll see my website. And that's what I'm using to clean the shoe. I need an apprentice now. Like I said, when I get done with these, they're gonna be looking brand new. What I'm doing now is I'm just taking the shoe apart. Tap the screen, share live, all that. You got some shoes that white, but they almost brown. Can I fix it? Yeah, send me a message. What are you doing to this shoe? I'm taking the shoe apart. Okay, so the shoe 15 years old. I gotta take it apart, remove all the old glue and put it back together. That's what I'm doing. I'm taking the shoe apart. They the flints from these are flints from 2010. Yeah, if you want to see my work, go to my main page. Look at my main page right there. I'm gonna pin it so you can see my main page. That's my main page right there. If you ain't never seen my work, that's what I do. So the thing is, these shoes are 15 years old, right? So they need a full restoration. You know what I mean? Like, you can't just give it like a little minor. The glue got old on it and got weak, so it need a full restoration. Yeah. Tap the screen, share live, all that. All they Nike, LeBron, Witness. No, these some Flint 13. Some 2010 Flint 13. Oh, the ones you need fixed? Yeah, just send me a message. Let me see what they look like. But yeah, tap the screen, share live, all that, man. Tap the screen, share live, all that. Their units are laying good. They're still in good standing. Do I do repaints too? I do. I do. If you ain't never seen my work, go to my page. Here go my main page right now. And if you go to my page and you want to see like specifically what it is, just go to my playlist. My playlist got everything I do, like V-gloss, repaints, all that. Your prices vary depending on condition of your shoe. You gotta send me a message for a quote. Try not to burn my hand, man. The thing keep on kicking like that. I'm gonna burn my hand messing with the thing. Yeah, so that's what it is. So, like I said, so what I gotta do now is I have to remove all this old glue. This old glue, that's why I look like it's old glue. I gotta remove all that, and then remove all the old glue on this and remove it on that, and then put it back together. But I ain't gonna do it on live because it take forever to do. But I'll probably put them back together on live. But before I do anything though, I'm gonna ice the soles though. But yeah, tap the screen, share live, all that, man. All right, be great. That's a bet. So, you know what I mean? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my soy sauce on it to get these all the way back white. Like even though they don't look bad now, they could come all the way back white. And this product is available on my website too. But yeah, tap the screen, share live, all that. Appreciate it, Holy. Can I fix ripped suede shoes and I get charged? I need to see what they look like. And Charles Barkley, I don't think they got no suede. They got Nubuck. Just let me send me a message. You can send me a video on TikTok now. So send me a message on here or send me a video on here so I can see what they look like. And that way I can give you a quote on it. And let you know if it's something I can do or not. I did this all backwards. So yeah, like I said, when I'm putting on there my soul sauce to get the paws back white. Just send me just send me a message on here. Just send me a message. And that, yeah, that's that. And then you put it up under the light and then it'll come back. Come back white. Like here go a pair I did right here. See how icy they is? So that's the results I'll be trying to get right there. Here go another pair. They was cooked too. These right here was cooked. These was like brown. You know what I mean? So I'll probably say one more session, they'll be in the game. You can still see a little bit of the brown in there. You know what I mean? But one more session, they'll be in the game. If you was in the live when I did these, you knew what they looked like. Oh, yeah, you was in there? Yeah. Tap the screen, share live, man. Y'all know how we do. But, yeah. 2010 Jordan Flint 13s. Full restoration on them. Yeah, like I said, if you ain't never seen my work, you go to my main page, too. Here go my main page on my pin, so you can see it, too. Just go to my main page. You see everything I do. I don't just clean shoes. Like I bring them all the way back too. All right, so let's see. Like I said, these are from 2015. I mean 2010. See what I'm saying? Bottoms of them dirty. We gonna clean the bottoms, then ice them. Clean the bottoms, take them apart, then ice them. You shine his head too? Yeah, okay. You know what that mean? That mean I'll take care of myself. What's your excuse? You saying that like that's supposed to be an insult. He shined his head too. What going on, Beats? But yeah, tap the screen, share live, all that, man. Appreciate the gift, Southside. Think my dad gonna What's going on? On cleaners is about 7 to 14 days. On restoration about 30 days. It's a line on restoration. I'm knocking them out though. All right, Southside, just send me a message. Frank Knitter, what's happening? Bryson, what's happening? All right, Ernest, send me a message. What am I doing? I'm cleaning the shoe and get ready to take it apart. Okay, that's what's up. Actually went to a football game last night, a high school football game. And my daughter, she won her fundraiser. Yeah, the product available on my website, theflycleansatl.com. It's available on my website, but man, I ain't mean to send an invitation. But yeah, I'm cleaning and restoring shoes. I've been doing it about 7 years now. What was I doing? Oh yeah. What's going on, Swan? Your whites turn off white. Your whites turn off white. What whites? I'm in Decatur, Georgia, Metro Atlanta. I'm in Decatur, Georgia, Metro Atlanta. That's where I'm at. In the country, I guess it's the USA for now. I guess that's what it is. Atlanta different though, so we ain't included in that census. Your white Vapor Max turn off white. Oh yeah. How'd that happen? Danny, what's happening? You using Texas for your vacuum and put inside of your speakers? What you mean? What you mean? Do I use an attachment for my vacuum? Yeah, the little small attachment that come with it. The holes in your vacuum too big, yeah, you gotta get the what kind of vacuum you got? Dental? Yeah, you might need the car vacuum. This the hose I got. Yeah, you could use that too. Just send me a message, Tom. The one I got on Amazon. You see, that's on my Amazon storefront. You go to my Amazon storefront, you'll see it. You go to my link tree in my bio. And they go to my Amazon storefront. So click on that page right there that's pinned and go to the link tree in my bio on that page right there. Go to the link tree in my bio on that page, and then you'll see my Amazon storefront. Yeah, I sell it. So go to my link tree in my bio and go to my website, and you'll see my shoe clean. How much did it cost my equipment? I don't know, bro. Like I said, I've been doing it for 7 years, so I ain't no telling how much I spent on my equipment, bro. I got an in-house shop, so. I think they're finna re-release these again. Oh, it's not on now? Just send me a message. I'll tell you how to get it. Send me a message, user. I'll send you the link. We'll be down for some firefighters just for the right price. Yeah, I don't know what that means, bro. If they work for you, bro, get them restored. If you worried about the price, then you know what I mean. You know what I mean. Don't even holler at me. I know what he's talking about, but he's talking about for the right price. You know what I mean? I don't even know what that means. For the right price, if you want to get them restored, you ain't really worried about the price. To be honest. If the price is in your budget, just, you know what I mean? Don't even, you know what I mean? Yeah, if you already starting to worry about prices, you know what I mean? You don't think you hollering at me. My prices are reasonable, but I ain't cheap though. So. Alright. Hold on, so it was just funny. Yeah, I already cleaned them. You probably just got in here, you missed it. I cleaned them up first. But these are from 2010. They 15-year-old shoes. And so, you know what I mean, they was already coming apart, so. What? I got a restriction. Yeah, see, y'all be asking me about this stuff. They be giving me restrictions for that. That's why I be telling y'all, man, like, come on, bro. Just send me a message, man. Just send me a message, bro. Y'all, you know what I mean? You putting all that. You can't do that on TikTok, bro. TikTok be tripping. Just send me a message. If you got a question about that, send me a message. You know what I mean? Just send me a message, bro. TikTok be tripping, man. They be tripping about everything. Just send me a message, bro. But yeah, tap the screen, share live, all that, man. So the restriction to go away, man. Tap the screen, share live, all that, man. I know, because that's what I be saying, man. They be coming and asking like the same question, like I'm in an interrogation room. How much this cost? How much that? Like, bro, like send me a message, bro. Like I don't understand how hard that is. If somebody say send me a message, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna sit there and ask the same thing in the comments, bro. Send me a message, bro. That's how we do that. Yeah, so I had to take them apart. You know what I mean? I had to take them apart. And so, but that's what he paying for. We get them taken apart, put them back together. All right, Tom, that's a bit. Yeah, just keep tapping the screen, share the live, man. Just keep tap the screen, share the live. You can repost the live too. Tap the screen, share the live, repost the live, all that, man. So the system, baby. Do I fully restore shoes? I do. If you ain't never seen my work, yeah. I ain't want to say it. Now they gave me a restriction, so I just pinned it, right? You click right there. If you want to see my work, you click on it right there. All right, that's a bit. Yeah, follow both pages. Follow this one and that one right there. Let me see. If you tap the screen, share live, all that, man. I got some more stuff I'm finna do too. I'm located in Decatur, Georgia, Metro Atlanta. That's where I'm at. Your parlay hit. That's what's up. Tap the screen, share live. If your parlay hit, tap the screen, share live. Should have no problem doing that. You you hit your parlay, hit the screen over and over again. Glove look inside. I don't care what the glove look like, as long as you do a job. I don't care what the glove look like. I don't care what the glove look like. Long as it protect my fingers from this daggone your soul sauce getting on. It's on backwards, upside down. I don't care what it look like. Just paint it. What you paint? So what I'm doing now is I'm applying my soul sauce on there, and then that way I can get them all the way back white. They look white, but they clean, but they could get, you know what I mean, they could get more whiter than this. But yeah, tap the screen, share live, all that, man. Tap the screen, share live, all that. 12 o'clock. Yeah, it sounds like it, right? Yeah, but that's not how you spell it. SOLE. It's soul sauce, like, you know, soul of the shoe. But yeah, that sound like something like that. My turnaround time on clean is about 7 to 14 days. On restoration, about 30 right now. Yeah, these some Vapor Max I had up under the light, man. See, it got all the way back white. They had stains and everything, and they was kind of brownish. They got back white too, though. So I was throwing Nike Shocks. It depends now. If the shock is crumbling, I can't do nothing with it because you gonna need a soul swap. I don't think they be made shock kits. Hello? 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 What's up? Yeah, what's up? Can you hear me? Inside the car? In the Audi? All right. Yeah, tap the screen, share live, all that, man. Yeah. So yeah, these came out pretty good too. Like I said, they was kind of brownish, man. They got all the way back white now. So they back in the game. She must have been pulled in. All right. When I get done with these, they gonna be looking brand new. When I get done with these, they're gonna be looking brand new. I restore shoes. I clean and restore shoes. Are there any shoes you hate repairing? Um, Platinum 1011s and UNC 5s. You know what I mean? That UNC, that little UNC thing they came out with, trash. Pure trash. New Jordan stays longer than ice. It depends on what you're using. It don't really take me long. On my gloves, right there. Yeah, I do these on live all the time, bro. They always come out the same. Now I'm gonna tell you what's not gonna get all the way back icy. This part right here, you know what I mean? Like you can see he drove the heel. You know what I mean? Like you can see this part right here is gonna be the only part that's gonna be kind of a little brownish. The rest of it will be ice all the way. I might have to jump off for a second and then jump back on. Trying to see what they want to do. So yeah, these right here, I'll say it probably take about 3 days, probably. But we'll see though. These will take probably about 3 days to come all the way back ice, but we'll see. How fast can I clean them? It'll take long to clean them. Just probably take about 3 days of ice. Yeah, sign up for my course. That's how you do that. Sign up for my course. How much for Jordan top three? I mean top five, top three. Send me a message. Send me a message. Just send me a message, Strike. Send me a message. That's how you do that. Just send me a message. You send me a message here or here. That's my main page right there. Make sure you follow them both pages. I might have to jump off and jump back on. You put that weird stuff on here too. He had a soul protector on this. What type of cleaning solution? It's my own cleaning solution. You gotta go to my go right there, and then go to the link tree in my bio. Let me make sure I don't get flagged. Go to my link tree in my bio. Go right to that page right there and go to my link tree in my bio. And then go to my website and you'll see my solution. All right, Strike, that's a bit. And like I said, you want to get the bottles as clean as possible. That way you get the best result. And these getting re-glossed too. That's a hard brush, yeah, it is. Let's say Unc don't know what he doing. Stay down. Unc don't know what he doing. Bro, you literally got $10 in your bio. You spent your whole day on McDonald's winning check money on the day on some George that just came out. I don't know what I'm doing. You'll be here to holler at me in a little while. Send me a message. I ain't gonna tell you no price on live, bro. Send me a message. I don't know what I'm doing, but I get them back like this. Keep in mind, these are from 2014. I get them back like this though. There go some results right there. Will the process do what? Yeah, I know you want a reaction. You know what I mean? You know, come on, man. I know you want a reaction. That's what fanboys do. You know what I mean? I told you, man. It's not his fault. It's his mama's fault picking the lane. His daddy is a lane. Daddy never told him that. You some real force. You ain't spend no money. If I could do what? If I could do this? If I could do this? Man, stop playing with me, boy. It's easy. I might have to jump. I might have to. I might have to log off and log back on. When I work in the shop, I own my own shop. $50. Okay, for sure. You don't know how to send personal message? You go to the home page and click on the page. You'll see how to send a message. And I'm gonna whiten the mesh up on it too. And I'm gonna whiten the mesh. Duke, what's happening? Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna jump back on. Let me help my wife real quick. I'm gonna jump back on. I'm gonna know about 70. I'll be right back. Make sure y'all follow the page.